Welcome to the Deep Dive by Outlier, where we uncover the market's hidden trends and give you the edge you need. Head on over to ovtlyr.com right now to save time, make money, and start winning with less risk today. Now let's jump right in.
Welcome to another Deep Dive. Today, we're going to be looking into the business side of K-pop, specifically how the major agencies are doing financially. We've got a recent CNBC article that breaks down the third quarter of 2024 for the big four: HYBE, SM Entertainment, YG Entertainment, and JYP Entertainment. Get ready for some serious number crunching, but don't worry, we'll make it fun.
It is interesting to see how much the financial performance of these companies is tied to what their artists are doing. Think of it like a delicate ecosystem.
So, if a major group is on hiatus or focusing on solo projects, the company's bottom line feels it.
Exactly. And that's what we're seeing in the CNBC article. 3 out of the big 4, HYBE, SM Entertainment, and YG Entertainment, had a rough third quarter. Lower album sales seem to be the main culprit.
Okay, so how bad are we talking? Give me the hard numbers.
Well, year to date, SM Entertainment stock is down 16%, YG Entertainment is down 10.41%, and even HYBE, the agency behind global phenomenon BTS, it's on 11% dip. JYP Entertainment is down a whopping 43%.
Wow, 43%. Those are some serious drops. What are the specific challenges each company faced?
Each agency had its own unique set of hurdles to overcome. HYBE had limited group activities because of the Olympics, and also took on the costs of launching a U.S.-based group. SM Entertainment had to contend with high production costs and weaker earnings from its subsidiary companies. YG Entertainment, on the other hand, had very little activity from their artists, besides a rookie group and one solo artist.
It sounds like the K-pop industry as a whole is experiencing a bit of a slowdown. Is streaming revenue not making up for the decline in physical album sales?
That's a key factor. The music industry globally is still adapting to this shift from physical to digital. But here's where it gets really fascinating. Even with these challenges, there's a strong sense of optimism for K-pop's financial future.
Okay, I'm intrigued. What's driving this optimism amidst all these down arrows?
Well, CNBC highlights the anticipated return of 2 K-pop giants, BTS and Blackpink. They're both expected to make comebacks in 2025.
Ah, the power of a comeback. But how does this translate to dollars and cents?
Think about it. You've got these massive, dedicated fan bases who are eagerly awaiting new music and concerts. They're ready to buy albums, snap up concert tickets, grab all the merchandise, and subscribe to digital platforms for exclusive content. It's a potential goldmine.
So we're talking about a surge in revenue, not just for the artists themselves, but for the entire K-pop ecosystem.
Precisely. City Research, for example, is predicting a financial recovery for the industry in 2025 and 2026, largely based on the return of these top groups. It's not just about BTS and Blackpink themselves either.
Oh, right. I remember reading about how their comebacks could help boost other artists and the agencies too.
Yes. Think about the younger, up-and-coming artists who will have the opportunity to open for BTS and Blackpink on these massive global tours. That kind of exposure to such huge audiences is invaluable.
It's like a rising tide lifting all boats, as they say. But let's get back to the numbers for a second. CNBC mentioned that JYP Entertainment actually managed to pull off a dramatic rebound to profitability in the third quarter. What was their secret sauce?
Their success is largely attributed to the hugely successful world tour of their boy group Stray Kids. This really highlights how important the strategic planning of tours and the success of individual artists is to a company's overall financial health.
So even in a down market, strategic moves and the right artists can make a big difference. It makes me wonder, what did JYP Entertainment do differently with Stray Kids World Tour that led to such success?
K-pop fans are incredibly influential. They drive trends, mobilize online, and have a real impact on the success of artists and agencies. It wouldn't be surprising to see them become even more active in shaping the future of the industry.
Perhaps we'll see more fan-driven initiatives, like crowdfunding projects, or even fan-organized events. It's clear that K-pop is more than just a music genre. It's a cultural phenomenon with a complex business ecosystem behind it.
And what we've done today is just peeked behind the curtain. There's so much more to explore, from the creative processes to the marketing strategies, to the social and cultural impacts.
This has been such an insightful deep dive. We've covered a lot of ground, from the challenges facing the big four agencies to the reasons for optimism about K-pop's global future. But as we wrap up, I want to leave our listeners with something to think about. We've discussed the music, the business, the fans, and the global impact. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep diving deep into the fascinating world around us.
Hey, thanks so much for deep diving with us today. Head on over to outlier.com. That's OVTLYR.com to save time, make money, and start winning with less risk today. And we'll see you next time.